In this tutorial, Forensic 9.0, we will review the light and color filter, which is the enhancement that makes it possible to reduce the effects of extreme color and light changes on an image quality. We'll go ahead, it's locate here on your right side for your filters. You can go ahead and turn that on. The auto levels is this button here. This will do the auto adjustment of the lighting levels of the video. If you want to do the manual adjustments, use the shadow and the highlight sliders here. Otherwise, you can turn it on. And then here we have the gamma, which is this slider controls it's a gamma correction. The value of 1.00 means that the input and output frames are identical in terms of gamma correction. You can always use the slider to change that. And then we have the saturation slider here. This controls the color saturation. 100% means that the saturation remains unchanged. You can go ahead and adjust that instead. And then we have the auto white balance. This is the auto adjustment of the white balance. You can turn it on and off. For manual, use the color slider here. And that is your light and color filter.